What's good, YouTube? It's Aiden here. Sorry this video might upload a little weird. I'm doing it from my phone because, I don't know, I got a new router. I can't seem to get it working, and then it works, and then it doesn't work, and then it works, and then it doesn't work. So, I decided to make the video through here since I wanted to get another video in before I go away to the Philly conference. So, hold on one second. Okay. So, real quick, again, I'm just going to let you guys know I will be at the Philly conference with 0.5cc and also with myself, just hanging out with you guys. I do have a table, a vendor in the vendor section. Stop it, animal, eating plastic. I do have a vendor station, and me and my wife, Jenny Lee, will be there. And, yeah, come on down. We're going to have raffle baskets. We're going to take binder donations. And, yeah, it'll be great. Alright. Side note, finished. The main point of this video is I noticed, like, I have a few ideas as to some videos I want to make, but right now I want to focus on top surgery, because my top surgery year is up next month. July 19th will be exactly a year post-op, which is so crazy to me that it fucking flew by so quick. But, so, I talked a little bit earlier about, like, the dysphoria even after you have top surgery. Right now, what I've been experiencing is, like, super aftercare stuff. So, I did a really good regimen of not stretching far and all that type of stuff, and putting the, lotions and creams or stuff on my scars to prevent them from, you know, getting too big and stretching and getting super red and stuff like that. So I did all that stuff, and I'm almost up to a year, and I find myself more or less not doing it as strictly as I used to. Like, within this whole month, like, I'll do the vitamin E oil every day when I used to do it 2 times a day, or maybe I'll do it 3 days in a row and then I'll skip a day, or the weekends come and I'm kind of, you know, not going to bed at the same time, not waking up at the same time, and again, I don't do the regimen. It's also getting sunny out, so now I'm, like, working outside, you know, I still put suntan lotion on. Don't get that twisted. I'll put suntan lotion on every day, 110 SPF. So I put that on, and then, like, I'm out in the sun, and I'm, you know, mowing the lawn, or I'm helping out outside, yada yada, moving wood, whatever I may be doing. The other day I went to the beach, and it was a little uncomfortable because, like, I wanted to just lay out, but I had this fear of laying out. You know what I mean? I didn't want to lay out. So me and my wife were at the beach, and I end up, like, making this shirt. I was actually wearing a shirt just like this. And, like, I put my hands through here. So I made, like, a little, like, tube top. You know? It just covered here and my back. Just to cover my nipples and my scars, because I'm just so scared of them getting all red. And then, you know, we heard people coming to coming close to the spot we were at. And, like, I quickly, like, tried to put my shirt on, because I'm still, you know, I'm a little uncomfortable up close to people who don't know just because I have the scars. I mean, I'm kind of, like, been gaining, though, like, pride in them in a way, or more, I guess, maybe acceptance, and with acceptance comes pride. Like, I'll just be out mowing the lawn, and people are driving by, and I don't really care. You know what I mean? But when I was up close with these people, I was a little nervous. But, yeah, I mean, my aftercare, I've just slowly started to fall off. And I think it's bound to happen after a year. You know, my mobility's still not there yet. I still kind of stay in my comfort zone. But, like, when I'm working out, I will go a little further than maybe than I'm used to or whatever. But, yeah, I mean, it's definitely interesting. I just can't believe a year's up, you know? It's just crazy. Like, I hear that, you know, the first year is, like, the biggest change, and so from now on, I hear that after a year, you know, it starts to just get whiter or kind of dull down, and then eventually it just will stop. But, you know, I just have a fear of them getting red. At this point, I think they've stretched all they can stretch. I just have this big fear of them getting really red. Like, getting, you know, getting sunburn on my freaking scars or my nipples. But, yeah, I mean, I'm so happy that this summertime is here again. It's almost been a year. It's just crazy. Um, and like people always ask me, oh, what was the biggest difference, and it was just so strange because I thought it would be such a big freaking deal, and it was, don't get me wrong, but like, it just felt normal to just put a shirt on and not have to put a binder on, you know what I mean? And my brain is so quickly trying to erase, like, having to have worn that binder for 3+ years or whatever, my mind is just like, let's forget about that, let's focus on the good stuff, so it's interesting. I'm really happy with my results, and who knows, I still have another month till a year, so we'll see if there's a difference between now and in a month. Probably not, but yeah, it's pretty freaking exciting. I haven't yet to really abuse it by going in the pool and going to the beach and stuff like that. I went to the water once, and then I went to, I've been like mowing outside and stuff like that. That's about it. So, yeah, it's exciting. A freaking year. It's awesome. I mean, I guess I'll show you just because I'm sitting here and talking about it. But I did show it in the last video I just made last week. So, from, like, far away, this is what it would look like. Like, you really can't see them from far away. But I feel like once you get up close, like, once I scoot my little tush up close, you can see them. Now, the lighting's kind of crappy. You can't see them very much down here. But you see that? So, I just worked out. So, they're, like, a little red. And it's strange because sometimes, like, I'll get out of the shower and I think they would be super red, and they're not. They're super white. And then other times I'll get out of the shower and they'll be super red. They kind of have a mind of their own, like some days they blend in really well, and some days they stand out a lot. So I don't know. I don't really know what the difference is, but they're very flat. I used to have a lot of buildup right here where like the tubes ended, the drains. All that I think I've like massaged that. I mean, you can still kind of feel it, but I've massaged it out a lot. And actually, shout out to I can't remember his name, but this kid, I'm really sorry, bro, I can't remember your name. But he sent me an email, was telling me about somebody who, got a, I think a mastectomy or whatever. And she has, like, no scars, and she took the vitamin E oil. And he told me in the email to, like, rub parallel 3 times, up and down 3 times, and then, like, J's, which is pretty much just, like, circles 3 times. I've been doing that. I don't know if it's really been helping because it's only been a few weeks of doing that, but I'm hoping that will help me out a little bit. I think at this rate it's just breaking up scar tissue and getting the skin to be, the scar to be as normal as skin as possible. But you see, you can still see it. It's not like they're just completely gone. But, the pec muscle definitely helps hide it back here and stuff like that. So that's definitely good. But, yeah, that's a year. It's pretty crazy. I think my only, it's just crazy that, I'm trying not to forget about it and trying to keep doing all the right stuff, and I keep falling off. But, maybe making this video and pointing it out to me and everybody will make me, get back on my game. But, yeah, so if you're going to the conference, come and see me, check me out. It'll be fun. Alright, guys. Peace.